At Daimler Buses Solutions, the work starts with listening and trying to understand the problems of our customers. Hello, my name is Elias. I'm working as a project manager for Daimler Buses Solutions here in our e-mobility competence center in Mannheim. So what we do in general? We do everything besides the vehicle to operate it, focusing on charging infrastructure, charge management system, electric installation and even civil works. A significant part of our job is to develop tailored solutions for our electric buses. Our work starts with consulting our customers. Therefore, we need to understand the problems and challenges. As a result of this, we can configure a 100% specific charging infrastructure concept. The next step is a detailed project planning. Our goal is to implement a comprehensive plan that covers all parts of the project, including from consulting to implementation. Finally, we focus on running the project smoothly. This means overseeing the installation of the charging infrastructure, making sure everything works and all issues are addressed promptly. In the end, it's rewarding to see that the plans worked out and to contribute to a better life in our cities and to a sustainable mobility future.